Alright guys, I've tested quite a few different power stations this year, but honestly, nothing compares to this one that I'm about to show you. It's bigger, it's more powerful, and yet it's still very portable. And honestly might just be the ultimate home and travel energy setup. So let's go ahead and get started. Welcome back to a brand new video, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Santi with the Daily Tested team, and today I am here very excited to introduce you into the brand new power station from Anker, the Anker SOLIX F3800 Plus. And it's not just a power station, it's without a doubt an entire backup energy for your home, your RV, or even charge your EV vehicle. The Anker SOLIX F3800 Plus is Anker's newest powerhouse in the SOLIX lineup and is designed to keep everything running whether you're on the road, off the grid, or at home during a blackout. And right now with the Black Friday mega sale is the perfect time so you can get one of these at the lowest price of the year. Now what's immediately noticeable is how well built this thing is. It feels solid, it's compact for its class, and it features wheels and handles so you can just move it around easily. But not gonna lie, it's a little bit heavy. Now even though it's portable, it feels like a professional grade energy solution and is the kind that you can rely on for years. Now when it comes to features, the F3800 Plus absolutely delivers. It can do up to 6,000 watt on AC output, and that's enough to power almost anything in your home, from refrigerators, power tools, or even large appliances. Now if that's not enough, you can link the two units up to 12,000 watt in total. And that's honestly a serious backup power. Now under the hood, you're gonna find that it's powered by the Live PO4 batteries, which means that you're gonna get over 3,000 full charging cycles and ultra stable performance. And you're getting years of use with cleaner, safer, and longer lasting energy storage. Now it also has the smart app integration that once you pair it with the power station, you're gonna be able to monitor in real time the power usage, and you can adjust the settings. Now you can even set the charging schedules and track the solar input if you have the solar panels. Now the Anker SOLIX F3800 Plus also supports the solar integration, and it gives you up to 3,200 watt of solar input, so you can just create a full off-grid setup with no problem. And whether it's for camping or as a permanent home backup, you're basically turning sunlight into long-term sustainable power. Now I used it at my job to recharge the batteries from vehicles to keep them alive while we sell them, and I also connected our microwave and the air fryer to see how much consumption it would do. And this is great because we can use it here at the office to heat up the food in case of a sudden blackout during our common tropical storms and hurricane season here where I live. Of course, you can also power up fridges, lights, phones, Wi-Fi, and a lot more. Now a bonus feature, the seamless home integration, because as one of the standout upgrades this year, the F3800 Plus can connect directly to your home grid through the Anker Home Power Panel. So instead of manually switching cables, your essential circuits automatically get powered when the grid goes down, no interruptions, no stress. So the Anker SOLIX F3800 Plus, I think it combines everything that you're looking for: the home grid reliability, the portable flexibility, and it's one of those power stations that you can either power up things at home or take it on the road, or literally just take it anywhere that you need energy. And compared to similar units on the market, I think the build quality and the smart features, they really stand out. And right now during the Anker SOLIX Black Friday mega sale, you can get the F3800 Plus for a major discount. So if you've been waiting for a signal to upgrade your home or your camping setup, I think this is the signal. So check out the link in the description and grab yourself an Anker SOLIX F3800 Plus, and honestly, once you get it, you will be ready for anything. So that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. See you on the next one.